Ah. Is this a 2x6x8 or a 2x6x10?
2x6x10, I think.
Yeah, you're probably right. Probably 10 feet. Let's see. Yeah, that's 10 feet.
Yeah.
That's 10 feet.
Is that what I needed?
That's like 2.5 Jamesons. Hey, it's Kyle. What's up, man? You come to help us? You gonna come help us, bud? We're building a fort.
Where are you going?
Waste on your finger. What's in there?
Probably the fish.
Oh gosh. Kai, do you remember 4th of July out here?
What?
Do you remember 4th of July out here?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And we did.
Make sure you watch that video.
Oh, you know what? We should show a little bit of that video.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get the fireworks. So what kind of fireworks right here? Oh my goodness.
These tanks first.
Well, all right, so we'll bring them over here. Okay, so what are we doing today?
We're gonna do a fireworks show in the biggest monster jam that anybody made.
Yeah, I think so, huh?
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Why?
Be free.
What more?
Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway. Bonnie and Clyde.
This is a little bit too dangerous, like, cause for me to go around, like, you guys would be like getting hit and stuff.
What?
All right.
I'm not happy about this.
So we got the big grave digger right here with a nice little fountain right here, and old Jameson's gonna be pulling it with about a 6-foot long cord. Here we go. All right, hold on, don't pull it yet, don't pull it yet. There we go. All right. Oh, slowly. Very nice. Go ahead and pull it. Pull it. Yeah. Nice job, man. Hold on, come on, pull it. Pull it. Pull it. What are you doing? That was awesome. All right, man.
I'm scared.
You five. All right. Whoa. Yeah, man.